Hello, I'm Alex Hui. In my last video, I talked about what TMJ is, TMJ disorders, and some massages that can help to relieve jaw pain. So today I would like to continue and share with you 6 exercises and stretches for TMJ disorder. Exercises and stretches are important because it does not only help to strengthen the joint, but also put it back in the right position. So before we do any of these exercises and stretches, we first need to make sure we have a good posture, because the position of the head and neck can greatly affect the TMJ. So what we want to avoid is a forward head posture, like so. But we want to have an upright posture. So first of all, we're going to do 3 posture exercises, and then we're going to move on to 3 TMJ specific exercises. The first exercise is a neck and trap stretch, and we have 2 stretches. So for the first one is we're going to put our right hand over on top to the left side of the head, and then we're going to slowly pull down to the side. Once you feel that there's a stretch on the side and on the traps, we're going to hold this for 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, we're going to slowly release, and then we're going to do the other side. So left hand over top to the right side of the head, and then we're going to pull down slowly. And you should feel a stretch on the side and on the traps. So we're going to hold this position for 30 seconds, and then we're going to slowly release. So this we can do 3 to 5 sets. The second set of stretches are similar, but instead of pulling our head to the side, we're going to pull our head 45 degrees down to one side. So for example, we're going to use our right hand, put it at the back of the head on the left, and then we're going to pull 45 degrees down and then look at your right armpit. So now instead of feeling the stretch on the side, for this one you should feel the stretch on the back of your head. So after 30 seconds, we're going to slowly release. And then now to the left hand, on the back right side of the head, we're going to pull 45 degrees down, look at your armpit, and then 30 seconds, slowly release. And then for this, we can do 3 to 5 sets. The second exercise is the chin tuck. So what we want to achieve is to have an upright posture of the head and neck. So here is how it looks like. So what we're going to do is we're going to tuck our chin in for 5 seconds and then relax. Tuck our chin in, 5 seconds, and then relax. And then we can do this for 5 sets. So if you have never done this exercise before, there's one way to help. That is using 2 fingers to push our chin in, like so. So 5 seconds, relax. Push our chin in, 5 seconds. And at the same time, imagine there's a string on top of your crown that is pulling your head up. So imagine there's a string right here, pulling your head up. 5 seconds, relax. Pull, 5 seconds, relax. And then we can do this for 5 sets. The last posture exercise is the shoulder squeeze, and it is very simple. So we're just going to open our arms like this, and then we're going to pull back and squeeze our shoulder blades together and hold it for 5 seconds. And then we're going to relax, and then we're going to pull back and then squeeze our shoulder blades together, 5 seconds, and then relax. And this we can do 5 sets. Now we will move on to TMJ specific exercises. So these exercises are isometric exercises, meaning that the jaw joint does not move and stay in one place. So what we're working is the tightening of the muscles that are surrounding the TMJ. So for these exercises, we want to make sure that our teeth are aligned. So meaning it is aligned like this, but not to the left or to the right. So we want to make sure we're aligned. Also, make sure that when we're doing these exercises, we do it gently, because if we don't, we risk injuring ourselves even more. So now we're going to put our thumbs underneath the chin and maintaining a little bit of space between our teeth. And then we're going to slowly and gently push our chin up using our thumbs. At the same time, our jaw is resisting and pushing it down. But make sure the jaw does not move up and down, it stays in the same place. So we're going to push. And then we're going to hold this for 5 seconds. And then we're going to release. And then we're going to do that again. Hold this for 5 seconds. And then release. And then we can do this for 5 sets. Make sure that when we push it gently. The next exercise, we're going to put our fingers on top of the teeth right here, and then leave a little bit of space between the teeth. And then we're going to push our fingers down while at the same time pushing the jaw up gently, and we want to make sure the jaw does not go up and down and stay in the same spot. So like so. And we're going to hold this for 5 seconds. Relax, and then we're going to do this again, and then we can do 5 sets. Make sure for this one we're not biting our fingers. We are pushing our fingers down and jaw up, and it stays in that exact same location. For the last exercise, we're going to put our right palm on the right jaw and push it towards the left. And then make sure there's a counter force from the jaw so that the jaw stays in the same spot and it doesn't go misaligned like so. So when we push, we're going to hold this for 5 seconds, and then we're going to relax. And then we're going to move on to the left side, left hand on the left jaw, and then we're going to push it towards the right. 5 seconds, and then we're going to relax, and this counts as 1 set. And we can do 5 sets. These are the 6 exercises and stretches for TMJ disorder. And you can start with once per day, and if you feel that your muscles and joint can withstand, you can slowly progress to 2 times or even 3 times a day. So hope this can help you to relieve the jaw pain. Thank you for watching today. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. Stay healthy, and I will see you next time.